Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix fast charging not working on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, normally in these videos I would go into, you want to go into settings, then you want to go into battery, and here you want to enable the wireless charging, not the wireless charging, but the fast charging. Though the problem is that you can't really do that on the Xperia phones. As you can see, there is no setting for this. There is only the stamina mode, which is the fancy word for supercharging mode, which basically saves your battery. And we have the battery usage, we have battery care, but there isn't really anything related to the charging itself. And this is because fast charging is enabled by default. The Sony actually implemented the 75 watts fast charging support, which is a certain upgrade over its predecessor, the 10 Mark VI. And from what I'm understanding, there isn't really a way for you to disable this. However, if you feel like your phone doesn't really support this, you probably want to make sure that you're using a legit charger, most likely from the Sony itself. If you have the Sony charger, then your life will certainly be easier. However, if once again you don't really see that the charging is really fast, like it's 75 watts, because of course on their site they saying that the phone can reportedly reach out 50% charge in under 20 minutes, which is quite a lot, and many people actually found out that it's kind of a lie, and usually you don't really see that in a normal environment, so you just want to be careful about this. And still, if you're like really sure that something is wrong with your battery, then there isn't like wait for you to fix it. I would just advise you to head into some sort of Sony store or like phone workshop in your area and get your battery checked, because maybe your battery is indeed in fault here and it's not working properly. But generally speaking, the fastest charging possible should be enabled always, at least in theory. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.